Hi guys! Today I want to share with you my Myeongdong haul. My best friend and I went to the streets of Myeongdong this evening to buy some beauty products, and I want to share with you what we bought. First, we went to this store called Laneige. It's one of the famous high-end stores in Korea. And we bought this interesting face masks. We bought two types. Interesting because it's a two-tone face mask. It's the first time I saw mask like this. Two tones, so the upper portion of this mask is brightening and the lower is hydrating. And in this other mask, the upper portion is moisturizing and the lower portion is lifting. So I don't know, let's see what effect it will make on our faces when we use it. And it costs 3,500 won each for this product. And then we went to Etude House. This is also one of my favorite products. For my sister, I bought this Pore cleansing foam. This is really good. I've tried this before and I'm still using it now. It's so refreshing when you use it on your face. And it costs 7,000 won. And this other one, this is one of the new products of Etude House. It's called the baking powder pore cleansing foam, and it costs 9,000, I think. Or maybe this is 9,000 and this is 7,000. I don't remember because the receipts are in Hangul. We also went to Nature Republic. By the way, from Etude House, they also gave us some free stuff, like this one. Small sachets, samplers of some of their products. We only got those freebies because I only bought 2 items. And then from Nature Republic, my friend bought these hand creams. It's assorted, different kinds of hand cream. And they have a promo. It's 1+1 or buy one take one. And it costs 66,000 won or around $66. So since it's buy one take one, she got 2. And also she got some freebies like the snail cream. I think it's also a mask. Most of the freebies they give here in Myeongdong are masks and some samplers of their products like this. It's like a shower gel and mild cream. I don't know what that is. I also bought some items. This one is for my sister because she loves EXO. Inside this box, there's a hand cream, there's a moisturizing cream, and a lip gloss. Then I also bought, my friend bought this. It's a hair color, Choco Brown. For my sister, she asked me to buy this lip tint. It's a lip tint. It's pink colored. And then, of course, we got some freebies too. Face mask and different kinds of products. That's Nature Republic. The hair color costs to 4,800 won, and this set costs, I think, around 25,000 won. So those are the items we bought at Nature Republic. And then we went to this store called Olive Young. It's a store with different kinds of products, different brands, I mean. And for my sister, she asked me to buy this. Can you see it? So it's Neogen Gentle Gauze Peeling Lemon, and inside there are like wet cottons. Then I think you have to apply it on your face. I don't know because it's my sister's. My friend also bought this masks. It's all the same. It's a charcoal. It's called JC New Real Water Brightening Black Mask. It's a black mask, but it's also different because the mask is up to the neck. So that's why she got interested in this product. And then we went to Skin Food, where we bought a lot of products. Not really a lot, but we just got a lot of freebies. One item we bought is a nail cutter. It costs 2,300 won. My friend recommended it to me. She said it's really a nice nail cutter. We also bought some hand creams. It's also assorted like the one in Nature Republic. This one's cheaper. It's 50,000 won, and also 1+1 or buy one get one. So both of us got one set of buy one get one. Then we bought some hair colors because I tried the hair colors of Skin Food and I really like it. She bought this black color for her mom, and I bought, let me see, there's also this one, the cherry choco. It's like a reddish brown hair color, which is really nice. I tried it before. We bought the hair color for 6,500 each. So we bought the black and chocolate cherry. And then what else did we buy? We got this. It's called the Royal Honey Wrinkle Corrector. You know why we got this? She tried to apply it on her face and it has a lifting effect, and I hope it's really effective. This set is 12 pieces, so the lady said it's good for 1 year, which means one bottle is good for 1 month. And then she gave us freebies. Together with that, she gave us this free items. It's a 24K gold snail cleansing foam, and then mask sheets. I think this set is 20 pieces. She gave us 2 of these as our free item. She also gave us a few more of the hand creams, and I think that's it. The Royal Honey costs 35,000 won per bottle, but since we got a lot of products from Skin Food, we were able to get a tax refund of 37,500 won. But the good thing is you don't need to go to the airport to show your receipt and get your refund from the airport. They give it right away in the stores. Like in Skin Food, they give you the tax refund right away. Also in Olive Young, it's included in the receipt. They also give you the refund right away. So far that's the haul that we have from Myeongdong. One tip is if you buy more products from one store, they give you more discount or more freebies. And that's it for today. I hope I was able to help you in case you try to visit Myeongdong. Bye bye.